Welcome, hi guys. Today is like day 2 of Coding with Friends season 2, and really excited to invite Deepika. She is a interdisciplinary artist from Bangalore, and she's trained in communication design from Delhi, and she's an amazing artist, does painting installations, and has a sort of strong connection of her work with gender, self-worth and perception, and I think I really felt like I could relate to what she was doing, although my work style is very different. But and I think the key commonality between us, at least currently, is that we are both suffering online school for our sons. But that's needed as well. So, and one of her projects that she's mentioned in her bio as well is the trial room, which talks of body dysmorphia and social conditioning, and was also exhibited at Gender Bender 2018 and at the Irregulars Art Fair 19. She also did this wonderful project called Sarva Satvik Rashtra, which is actually how I got to know about her work, which was part of the Pollinator residency. Is that the right term, Deepika?
Yeah.
And it's this amazing like interactive film animation. I don't know, Deepika, maybe you can share I think I'll share the link to everybody in the chat to have a look at it as well, which happened in Jan of this year. No, yeah, this year.
Yes.
And she's currently curating a gender journal project for Sandbox Collective called Rest Your Thought Here. And so welcome, Deepika, and thanks for joining this crazy ride with us. I'll quickly introduce the project that we are doing, but with a bit of like references of how you came up with some of the ideas for the drawings that you're working with. Okay, this is my sheet. Sorry about that, but so Deepika sort of has a sort of mixed painting practice with lots of materials and mediums, and then kind of using it with animation and things like that as well. So she's doing a project with what are they called?
Futura
Futura
Tropica,
Tropica.
that's a network of across the tropics
Okay.
that a lot of different artists have come together, and we're trying to do a research. It was a research grant by the I people. I'm
I-beam.
sorry, I keep my phone away.
Mm-mm.
IBeam, yes.
Okay.
Sorry, I did I say I people?
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Yeah,
That's okay.
the IBeam. Yeah, and Juan, he's called JPEG on Instagram.
Okay.
He started it, and then he sort of got the grant, and then he gave grants to other artists. So there were like seven of us, and it was meant to be like a physical exhibit and everything, but we all know what happened to all of those.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so then we just decided that we'll do something online with it. And I started researching. This was like a spillover from the last project I did, which was Sarvasatvik
Mm-hmm.
Rashtra. So I had a lot of research around food and biryani after Sarvasatvik, and I didn't know like how to make sense of
Mm-hmm.
it, and that there were certain findings which did not find space in Sarvasatvik Rashtra. So,
Okay.
a lot of findings like, it's so easy to just order food on Swiggy or
Mm-hmm.
Zomato, but there's a whole cycle of things that have to happen for you to be able to have that one
Mm-hmm.
box of one dabba of
Mm-hmm.
biryani. So what goes behind it, and then what happens after
Mm-hmm.
that? So I started looking at the macro picture of food
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm.
general, and with climate change, with population,
Mm-hmm.
all of those factors, and I
Mm-hmm.
started studying them, and then you can click on that. That's
Okay.
the
Yeah.
future up.
Huh.
Um, you just opened. It's a work in progress website. So where I've just put in some thoughts here, and I did a survey amongst some 43
Mm-hmm.
people in
Wow. Okay.
Bangalore who uh, basically the biryani survey was just checking, like it was taking like a feeler of how what people feel about the biryani they
Mm-hmm.
consume. So I used the metaphor of biryani, and I'm still trying to comment on the whole macro system of food and the objects it creates, the ecosystems that it has altered. So it's a very, very large undertaking, and I realized it now that it's not possible to even finish that kind of a research in this scope. Like it became too big. So then I mean, because it was becoming so big, and I also came across this term called hyper objects, which is coined by Timothy Morton. And So hyperobjects are basically objects that are so vast and so widely spread on Earth that they are incomprehensible by humans. Like in terms of if one human lives 100 years, hyperobjects span to 500 years. So plastics, global warming, plastics in the sea especially. These are all hyper objects that their spread is so wide and so expansive that humans can't comprehend. Like we can only see climate change now as like certain, certain in certain parts, but we can't comprehend the whole expanse
Yeah.
of what is actually happening. How is it affecting the penguins to like the ozone to everything? So it is too big even for all the human scientists to comprehend. So when I figured that my my project is a hyperobject too. It's going out of my scope and I can't comprehend it. So I started breaking it down and I've broken it down to a few illustrations where I will try to illustrate the ideas behind it through, I think, now I'm going to take Ambika's help to like make it with code and then try to illustrate what it could mean. So these are still like, these are, I mean, philosophy is new to me. I didn't study it in college and I'm still like understanding its meanings and, there's so many terminologies and these philosophers don't talk about anything without like dropping vocabulary every second. It's just like, like first, should I look up the definitions of that stuff that you mentioned, or should I understand what you're trying to say? Like एक sentence में
So
there are
many
like
things.
five भारी
Yeah,
भरकम
yeah.
words like ontology. Then there's like, oh God. Anyway, let's not go there.
Yeah. So yeah, and
Yeah,
I've kind of stopped thinking about those things, and like I enjoy doing the code bit much more now. Uh,
yeah,
so
yeah.
so
And plus, these are all the concepts in philosophy are still very colonized and very Western, and not all of them apply to us.
exactly.
And not I mean they might apply to us in the
Yeah,
general sense, but they're not you can't like just pick them up and put it here. So you have to I don't have the tools to actually modify it and I'm sure like Indian philosophy is apne paas hai enough, like we don't need
yeah.
also. So we have enough vocabulary when it comes to spirituality and like all of that, but uh, then the whole concept comes back to that everything is related, everything is linked, and everything is meaningless.
Okay, so on that note, let's start some meaningless code.
Yeah,
So this
yeah.
is
Let's go
this
for
is
it.
a P5 Live, which allows for co-coding, and I'll just share this link with you, which is blank, which doesn't have any code on it, so you don't feel overwhelmed by my other sheet where I was testing out your project. I just dumped it in the chat for you. Um, uh, so once you join, I'll share. The others can also join, but I may have to like lock it and only allow Deepika to do the code in it, because just to kind of not like freak the web page out.
Can you okay, one second. Okay, it's P5 Live, right?
Teddavis.org slash. I should have a like a little code at the end which says CC equals to with a couple of letters.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so you're
got it.
here D, that's you. So I just share this link in the chat also for those who some people are, they help us in the debugging and stuff. So
Yeah.
super. Okay. So if you want to type something which is not code, you just put two slashes in front of it, and then it comments it out. That way.
That's the only
Oh,
thing I
you
know
know.
about
Okay,
code.
perfect.
I
Super.
I just did
Okay,
that.
super. So now, and I know that because you are a graphic designer, you know RGB really well. So I've put a background in the line 7. So just give it an R, comma G, comma B from 0 to 255, any value that you want for your background. And then we'll start off with a bit of. Uh,
Yeah, sorry, I have been poorly organized.
don't worry, it's fine.
Um,
Listen, it can't be worse than me. I've lost people's coding with friends videos. I have screwed up the audio on yesterday's video. So, like, it's totally fine.
yeah, my father would tell you to wear some ring.
अच्छा ऐसा
तुम्हारा बृहस्पति नहीं चल रहा ठीक से ऐसे कुछ.
that would be pretty cool
He
though.
tells me so.
हाँ,
I'm like I'm
मंगल
like
में
yeah,
कुछ
okay.
गड़बड़ है ऐसा.
हाँ, something. 1 second. Mm, 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 mm. I studied this so much because I was trying to figure out
Mm-hmm.
P5JS at some
Yeah.
point. And then I have now that I see it again, I've completely like lost
Yeah, I mean,
all the
I find it to be very much like drawing. That's a skill that I've learned, like, in my studies as well. Where, like, if you don't do it for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, then you just kind of have to revisit it a bit before you. But the thing is that there was a logic to the way you were taught how to draw. So currently, we don't yet know that logic in code. So once you get that, it's pretty much the same. So you have a nice purple now, and
hello.
क्या हुआ? You can hear me?
Sorry, yeah. Siri
Oh,
interrupted.
okay.
Yeah, I added
Huh.
something. Let's see if this works.
So it should be purple now for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
did. I
So
did.
I'll just. She wants to use her images, which she is very. Deepika is very nicely cut out into these very wonderful, like, PNGs. And she wants to kind of use them now, like this aloo paratha tandoori roti, and use them in a way that she can use them to paint. So I mean, we all are fairly, at least the ones who've been using P5JS or processing for a while, you guys know that you can use like circle and square and make it like a little paint object or whatever, right? So I'll just show that to Deepika as well. So right now, what we'll do is, I'll make a circle, and it can just be called circle, and I'll make it at an x coordinate of say 200 pixels and a y coordinate of 400. Itta to you must have done in the past, right? So you got a little circle, and now we'll move this circle. So uh, the program already knows that mouse x and mouse y can give me the values of my screen, and now I have a little circle which is moving around with me, which you probably also have, right? Mm-hmm. So what we'll do now is that, so this is typically how I end up explaining setup and draw as two separate functions. Although I don't know if this analogy works really well, but like imagine you went to the beach, and you took with you a mat, and you took a bunch of like food, and you took your umbrella, and all of you went together. So what is the first thing that you do when you reach? You lay down the mat, right? You lay down, you like park yourself in one space, and everyone then kind of disperses from it. But when people come back, they have gunk on their feet, right? So what happens is that every time someone steps onto the mat becomes dirtier and dirtier. So if the mat is put in draw, it's like there's one person who's really OCD, and every time they are jhatkoing the mat and they are putting it back. So every time my mouse is moving on the canvas, I cannot see any trail of anything from the past movement of the mouse. However, if I put the background in the setup, so I'll just cut it from here, and I'll put it in the setup. So you'll see now that it'll start trailing. So it's now basically nobody cares about the mat in the beach, and all the mitti is coming on it and leaving imprints. So I hope this is working for you.
Yeah, it
Super.
is.
So this is the
I just got lost with the trail. Sorry. I got very
yeah.
mesmerized
I
with
know
it.
it has that effect. So now this is very simple. Now I could have a square instead of a circle, and then now it will start to draw a circle, square instead of a circle. So what we want to do now is use your images, which you very kindly shared with us in this particular code. So we'll do something really simple. For the moment, we'll just make a global variable, and I'll call it image img without any spaces, and we will preload it. So now preloading in the beach example is like you come to the beach with your tiffin. Na? You don't like reach there and assume that all your bread and your butter and your whatever else aloo paratha is with you. So just imagine this to be your little picnic basket, which you've already filled before you came into the picnic. So I'll just tell the image that tell the variable that you load this image here. Now, typically you can do this locally, like from your folders in your computer, but P5 Live insists that you do it through a GitHub link. So I've added all of your images to this GitHub, and I can just do a आपको दिख रहा है ना ये? हाँ, 1 second. What is this music? Is this your music? Okay. I can't hear you somehow.
Oh, I was on mute. I didn't play
Ah,
music.
okay. Acha. Cool. So I'll just do copy image address. Hopefully this works. And I'll put it in double quotes. नहीं ये नहीं आएगा, sorry, this is not the one. I can just do open the image in a new tab, and this link that comes through, I'll use this one. Which
So
sorry.
you can ideally do this in Photo Bucket also, right?
Yeah.
Or do you have to use
They have a couple of for P5 Live. He's given a couple of things, like you can put it on IMG. What is that? Imgur. I don't even know how to pronounce it.
Imgur.
Or this, or
I also say I don't know what else is there called. What is
so one or two, like
Yes, Imgur.
Ted said that one or two of these things you can put it on for his P5 Live specifically. But if you are doing it on like a P5JS का जो main editor है, you really don't need to. You can just like upload it right there and access it like as if it's on your computer. So basically now we've loaded this image, but we want it to now show up in our canvas. So अब आप ही 16 पे type करिए, just type image fully on line 16.
Yeah, 1 second. Image.
Yeah, and then open the bracket, and then inside that bracket you can write img, just whatever the loaded variable, and then put a comma after img, and add just say like 300 comma 300. Let's just see what happens. Right, so now your aloo paratha is on the monitor, but you want it to be used like almost like a paint kind of a feel. So for the moment you can copy paste this mouse x mouse y value instead of the 300 comma 300. So it should instead of this, and I'll comment out the square.
Is this it? Oh, look. Yay.
So now you have this little image that's kind of moving around with you.
Food for everybody. Yeah.
Right? But now what Deepika really wants to do is actually very interesting. She wants to be able to like move between a bunch of images which she's kind of put together, like which are actually ingredients of biryani, and then kind of use it like a paint tool. So what we'll do now is we'll give her that opportunity to be able to use a list of these and then kind of circulate between them and make a paint tool. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I don't know if some of you attended PCD in 20 when did the pandemic hit? 2020, right? 2020, just before the first lockdown, Harshit and Hugo had shown a very nice emoji painter project, and maybe I'll just like share it here as well, so people can see that. कहाँ गया? Sorry. Here it is. I'll just park this in the chat for everyone. They've kind of used it in very interesting ways, where they like ported it into Touch Designer and used it as a, like, they take the image and then reuse it in After Effects and other like Procreate and things like that. So I think that's very interesting about code usage for creative practitioners, that they are able to then like shift their workflows and kind of use it in other formats and not be limited to the browser only. So here you can see they've used it in some kind of a 3D software, and this is Touch Designer, and Anisha has used it with Procreate as a brush tool. So there are some very interesting opportunities with it. So now I'll head back to Deepika's images. So what we'll do now is we'll just make a simple array of these images. If you're new here, array is just a list of images, a list of any objects that you want to make, and you can kind of put them in this square bracket with commas, and then we've already done this thanks to Himani, and we'll just kind of use that list to build our project. So we've got this image thing going here, and now we'll get another variable which we'll just call image array for the moment, and all the images have been listed here up till your biryani dabba, right? That was the last one that you had. So we've got all of them. Currently there's no change in the code, it's all the same, it's just running the paratha which we added. And now what we need to do is that we need to be able to call the images into our draw loop, and then just like move between the images. So for that, what we'll do is, Deepika, we'll change this variable that's there on the top, called, I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but we'll figure it out, I guess. And just make an empty list, like this is just 2 square brackets with nothing in it, right? So now what I'll do is, in my some of these things, if you have a doubt, you can like ask here as well, so like we can try and help others as well.
No, I've actually gone through a lot of P5 tutorials, but
Okay, super.
I mean, I was just scared to like
Apply it.
do it on my
Okay,
own.
perfect. Then
I didn't know, like, once I came to the blank empty editor, I didn't know what to write. So I understand it in
ha,
concept, um,
but not,
but then
you
I
haven't,
freeze when
perfect. Okay. So
in application, like from concept to application, I haven't gone that further.
okay, so now what I'll do is that because Himani and I already typed out the whole array, we'll ask you to like put it in the preload, but just for your just generally for your knowledge and for others who may be new to this. So every object that we've put in the array in the hyperlink format, it is inside quotes, and then it is separated by a comma, if you can see here. So these are the small things in the array which eventually like end up giving you like frustration and anger. So I'm just like giving a sense to you that how it's kind of put into an array. So now we'll do something called a for loop. I don't know if you've done that, Deepika, in the past. So basically it just allows you to give a condition that it starts here, it ends here, and this is how it increments. So we can call it anything. So we can just call it I for the moment, and we will say that let it be less than the number of objects in the image array. So that's the length basically of it. So it's just a simple way of calling the number of objects in an array. Just say dot length. So whatever that array might be, it could have been called Deepika array or Ambika array or whatever, and you add an increment to it, and then you just put a curly
Yeah.
bracket and add your image into it. So एक second, इसको
Yeah.
कर देना चाहिए.
This logic I
हाँ,
understand from C++ in 12th
you do?
standard.
Okay, super. So I didn't have it, so it took me a while to get this logic. So now I'm just using this empty array. I think now, sometimes when Ophelia and SK and all come on the stream, I realize, oh, maybe this is not the most efficient way of doing it, but okay, let's just go ahead with figuring out like in the best way that one knows. So I will just say load image, and then in the load image space I can say, sorry, load image is with a normal bracket. I'll just say image array, and then instead of, so typically one could do one thing. Actually, let me show you that as well. Now that we have an array here, Deepika, I can call the image with a square bracket and put the number which I want to call. So say I want to call the second image or the third image, I can say give me image array number 1, number 2, number 3, like that. So for example, जैसे कि we know that your 1, 2, 3, the fourth image is the cow. So like say instead of image in line 33 img, you can write image arr, like the variable that we have 33 में.
I write it.
So instead of img, just
Okay.
write the image array, this variable that we have on the top.
Uh, I can't see where you're pointing because I'm looking at my
Just go
screen.
to line 33.
हाँ, I'm at
हाँ,
line
so
33
उसमें
now
क्या,
in the image.
img वाला जो variable है ना, img image, just
हाँ,
change that to image capital A R R. हाँ
ARR.
हाँ, and in a square small r, हाँ, in a square bracket you add the number for the cow. And because we know it's 4, but in arrays everything starts from a 0, you start your counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, not from 1. You put number put
Okay.
number 3, है ना.
3.
So
Yeah, got it.
hopefully the cow should turn up now. um, okay, wait, image
Is there
a.
anything I'm missing? How important is that semicolon thingy?
uh,
Is it
I
important to
mean,
just
it's
add in?
like, it's good practice, but like what is good practice to me? Nothing. So
It's not
wait,
coming.
there's an error on the top. That's why I think. 1 second. Oh, maybe we needed to load it in the preload. A picnic basket खाली पड़ा है, so that might be the reason. So I'll.
So if you don't preload, then it just
Then it doesn't turn up.
then it takes
No, it
time.
doesn't turn up because
No, it
it's like
doesn't turn.
you didn't put it in the basket. So how am I to know that you wanted that, right? So we'll just call it img only, and then जो आपने यहाँ पे लिखा था नीचे, we'll add that same. This 1 second. अरे बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज करनी पड़ रही, बट ओके, डजेंट मैटर. विल जस्ट लाइक, अरे why is this not working? Okay, never mind. We'll come back to this later and I'll explain it to you. Somebody in the chat will be kind enough to tell me at some point that what I was doing wrong. So anyway, so we'll go back to loading the images in the preload as a loop of images, and I'll add I here as the as the from the loop itself, so to tell it ki okay, load all of these images that are in the array. So now whether my array had 10 images or whether it had one image or whatever, 5 images, it would just say okay, I'll load all of them. I'm not going to stress you about kitni images hai batao, like that way. So now what one can try is that here, now let me see if your cow comes through. Yeah, okay, now it's come through. So now I've loaded all the images into this array called img with square brackets I in the preload. So in my draw loop, which is on line 33, if I write img and I write the number that I want, that image will turn up. So just test it out if you want to try it with a spoon or rice or samosa or whatever else, ghee, just to.
What happened, Virat? Mm, Go have snacks. There's watermelon. There's watermelon. Come.
Hey.
Yes. Yeah, but I'll give you ice cream later. Let me finish. Okay, do one thing. Come here, let me tell you in your ear. To Radhika, you can ask her to give you the falsa ice cream. Do you know falsa? Okay, ask her for jamun ice cream. Can you do that? Go. You can have watermelon and ice cream. Vanilla is not there. Then you can have mango or jamun. Mango or jamun. Yeah, yeah. Whichever one. Jamun is purple, mango is yellow. I don't know why he likes vanilla ice cream. I hate vanilla
These
ice cream.
kids are like this only. They
Sorry.
want all this basic stuff only.
And I don't know what kind of kid doesn't like chocolate. And I'm like, dude, I only used to buy chocolate. I would never buy anything else.
Maybe
Now I have to buy all
that's
these
the whole
weird
thing
flavors.
that we as we like it, so they don't like it. Like वो वाला scene है. So
It's so problematic. I'm like, better you better get on board with chocolate, okay? I can't. It's too expensive to afford
other
other.
flavors.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
I know. S
I can draw different things now. I'm just changing the numbers.
and at any point, if you feel like saving any of these experiment explorations, you just do control
Yeah, I think
save, so it'll auto save कर दे.
I'll need to clean it first
So you can
because right
do
now there's aloo.
control shift enter.
Control Shift Enter. Oh, this is like Flash only. This
I don't remember using Flash. Although I've used it, but I just don't remember using it too well.
even now it's called this something else. It's called Adobe Animate,
Oh, that's Flash.
and yeah, it still has the same shortcuts. So I feel very happy that our shortcut learning hasn't
Hasn't. So now you
been
got a
waste.
samosa, I think. Okay.
Yeah,
So by the way, all these drawings are Deepika's. Huh? It's like she's only like she sat and drew all of them. Huh? So like appreciate please.
yeah.
Okay.
This is painted.
So did you do these
But
on like digitally, or like were they done by hand, and then
some were this like the samosa was made by acrylic
okay,
paint, and this bag was made in on
okay,
Procreate. But so there's a mix of
mix of
things.
things. Okay,
It's not
very nice.
mostly. I think mostly most of them are
Most of
digital.
them are digital. Okay.
I have to like really plan out to make it like uh, because right now the moment I put the
Mm-hmm.
number, the drawing starts happening from
Don't
there.
worry, we I have some solutions for you for that as well. Uh, so uh,
Nice.
so basically, I just wanted you to sense that okay, if you just even put a list of them and you like manually grab them and add them, you can do this. So what's happening
Yeah.
currently is because I told you about the beat sheet. This is kind of always whenever you move your mouse, it's kind of it's starting out that its own jing bang of trying to do things. So at this point you may
Yeah.
want to obviously, like how you would use it in your graphic software is that only when you tap onto your tablet, or when you click the mouse button, you can start the painting work, right? So we can do that easily as well. Oh, you actually called it ch biryani, which I love, because like that's how they distinguish na ki it's a veg biryani or some other so that's
That's how they write it on the
exactly,
dabba.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is
that's awesome.
so
Sorry.
which are so many
Yeah.
of them.
So 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 what we'll do now is I'll if you see me, I'm on line 13. Yeah.
Yeah.
I will add a there's a pre-loaded function called mouse dragged, and
Okay.
I just want you to cut it from line 33 what you've written and add it to line 37.
I'm sorry. I'm really bad at
Okay,
this.
shall I do it? You want to see me do it?
I have to. I'm trying to open your
No,
screen.
you don't
It's
need to.
हाँ
जो आपके लेफ्ट में, are you seeing the line numbers like 1 2 3 4?
हाँ. I
हाँ.
can see the line numbers, but I don't know where you're
So
pointing
I'm
to.
I'm just
Because you
I'm
select.
referring only to line 33. So
Okay.
just cut
So
it from there and you can add it in line 37.
okay. So now we'll inside mouse
Yeah,
dragged. We
we
will
are
do
in
this.
mouse dragged. So if you just do control shift and enter and it refreshes your
Got
screen,
it.
you'll observe कि अब वो it's not doing that over painting like it was, right? Yeah. And now
Cool.
if you
Cool.
press your
Cool.
mouse, only then it will give you the painting. So
Nice.
now so but obviously because this code is in the front, it may be a little troublesome. You just do control E, the code will go away, and then you can use your full screen as well.
So how do we like now give it this rotation function or um I know I'm asking for too
No, no,
much,
we'll do
but
that, no worries. So I'll give you one other simpler thing where even if you just click once, like अभी आप एक बारी click करो तो the samosa or the aloo is not coming, right? You're only getting it when you drag your mouse around.
yeah.
So we'll just add another function called released. So basically when you release your mouse or trackpad, it should do the same thing. So I'll just copy paste the same code there. तो अभी आप एक बारी भी क्लिक करेंगे तो एक बारी क्लिक करे तो इट्स
Hmm.
गिविंग यू आलू पराठा, एंड इफ यू क्लिक इट, इफ यू डू द ड्रैग इट्स गिविंग यू द काव, राइट?
Got
Yeah.
it.
So now obviously you can't keep manually changing it for both. So we'll set up a simple format so that you can use the brushes without having to like constantly having to manually change it around. So what we'll do is I will what we'll do is just under the image array do let and say brush equals 0. That is line,
Under the image
हाँ,
array.
line number 15 16 कहीं पे भी.
Hmm. Yeah, 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 okay. Let brush is B capital.
Anything, whatever you want it to be called.
Brush is equal to
0. Yeah,
0.
and we'll put a semicolon there. So
It
basically
did.
now what I'm trying to tell it is that every time I call for a brush from the image array, take some brush number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on, right? And we can assign this to say like an up arrow or a down arrow, and then it will just loop through the through your brushes basically. So
Assign what? Sorry.
uh,
What should
like we
be?
can assign any key from the keyboard, just like you know how when you're in Photoshop you use the square brackets to make your brush bigger or smaller. So right now instead of using it for big small, we'll first use it to run through the images. So like you know, like if I do up arrow every time, up, it'll give me image 1, image 2, like that. Like we can run through them,
Oh,
so you don't have to manually pick it into the mouse drag function, right?
oh wow.
Okay, so how we'll,
So
sorry, बोलिए.
so like I'll just basically while mouse dragging, when I stop
Hmm.
dragging, then every time I press an up arrow, it'll go to the next one, then the next
Mm-hmm.
one,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
So if I for the dabba, I have to press 11 times.
yeah.
That's what
But it'll
it is.
circle through. So like after the 11th one,
Ah,
it'll come back to the first one. For the
okay.
for
And down arrow will go back?
We'll do that for the later, like not for the session, but I'll help you with that because I mean, obviously, it has to be,
No, no.
it has to work for you also as a tool. So what we'll do is that हमने बोल दिया कि okay, brush equals to 0, and what we now need to do is that wherever we have this image square bracket 3 or image square bracket 4, as you mentioned here, we want that the brush keeps changing based on that particular point where we are in our arrow pressing. So we'll just assign. So now actually much of what we are doing for this project is actually just assigning a lot of things to the keys and mouse and stuff like that in your computer. So I have on line 47 I've added a new function called key released, which basically means that when I leave the key that I'm pressing, something should happen. Now, whatever that thing might be. So, just to give
Yeah.
you a sense of what one means by this, what I'll do is that you can put a condition that actually, let's not even put the condition for the moment. I just want to show you what happens. So, I'll add image 4 is your plastic bag, and I'll say that give it to me at 400, say 600. इसको और भी नीचे कर देते हैं. So
It's very trippy, by the way.
so अगर आप if you do control shift enter, you'll actually notice that every time one plastic bag is turning up on at the sort of lower end of the computer on can you see that?
No, every time I release
any
my
हाँ any
mouse,
no any of your keys वो एक ही जगह पे बन रहा है, इसलिए आपको नजर नहीं आएगा.
नहीं वो
अच्छा,
I did I was doing I pressed the mouse, then when I released it there was one
प्लास्टिक
bag.
हाँ विच इज़ कमिंग एट अ फिक्स्ड पोजिशन 600 हमेशा वो वहीं पे आएगा. I just wanted to show you that this is how the functionality of key released works. But what we'll do now,
Okay.
sorry, is that we'll say that okay, if the key code equals to up arrow, this is now again from the documentation, it's a functionality which can be like later understood, not to stress about it too much now. We'll say that every time it says up arrow, I want the brush to change. But how do I get that brush to change, which is 0? I want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So I can say brush sorry, actually I did it in a different way, so I'll explain what I'm doing. I'm making a counter that also starts at 0, which I've kept at line 17, and I am just going to say that every time the counter my arrow key goes up, the counter goes +1 +1 +1 +1. Okay, and then what I'm doing is that I'm using a mathematical function here, which is called modulo. Shall I explain it to you, or you don't care to know? Like, you can totally be honest and say that I don't care. Like,
Please
okay,
explain.
perfect. So
Please explain.
so what happens is that I think if you can just come to Skype, and then I can show it to you in the in a simple sketch format. So what
Yeah,
happens
yeah,
is
I'm
that
at.
so now we know that we have a counter which is going from 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I don't have my pen tool right now. Which is going up like +1 +1 +1, right? Which is what I said here in line 49, counter plus plus. So so if I use any number to divide it, say suppose I use the number 3 to divide all of these numbers. Sorry, how do you, what is the divide का sorry, divide ऐसे होता था ना, I've forgotten now. uh, so when I'm using divide, so these are giving me some values. So but what I'm not interested in the value that it's giving me when I'm dividing. I'm actually interested in the remainder value that it's giving me. Like, remember when we used to divide like this aise karke, like 10 divided by
Uh-huh.
5. So here I'm getting 2,
Yeah.
and then when I minus, I get 0. So here my remainder becomes 0, right? So the modulo
Okay.
function allows you to calculate the remainder. And typically what will happen is that say for example, चलो अपन ये 10 वाला ही example ले लेते हैं. I'll go to another drawing that I want to divide by 10. So say suppose the first time it was sorry not 10, 5. अरे यार क्या सीन है. आई वॉन्ट टू डिवाइड बाई 5. तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ये 10 डिवाइड किया तो बाई 2, तो it gave me remainder 0, and then my number went up to 11 and I did the division again. So my remainder is 1.
One.
And then here I'll just do it up till the next fifth multiple, so you understand where this is going, right? So now it's at 2, and then here this becomes 3, right? And sorry, we'll have to do it up till 5.
So the remainder is
Sorry, go ahead, please.
also like the remainder is going plus plus.
Yes, the remainder is also changing because of the fact that our number itself is changing, right? तो अभी यहाँ पे ये 15 आ गया, तो वापस से अब मेरा यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे मेरा रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा 0. So it's
Zero.
built a counter that's going 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, right?
Four.
हाँ, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4. So if it were 2, it would be 0 1 0 1 0 1.
One
Yeah.
second. Yeah.
No worries.
Sorry.
Okay. So, have you located the ice cream?
Yeah. It's big debate on whether it's the jamun or the mango.
So sweet. uh, so now basically we want to build a counter, and we know कि भाई अभी तो we have 10 images, but कल को you may be using 20 or you might be just using 5. So instead of putting a physical number, we'll just put the modulo counter to be as per the image array का length, right? So अभी जैसे मेरे ये 10 images हैं, तो वो काउंटर 0 to 9 चलेगा, 0 to 9 0 to 9. So suppose I had 5, I had only 5 images, it would have just gone 0 to 4 0 to 4, right? Because our counting starts from 0. ठीक है, if you're getting lost you can say हाँ please, like then we'll try to figure it out.
I'm trying really hard to
Okay.
understand. So you're dividing the counter by the image array length. Image array length is
It's
10,
currently
11.
11 for you, right? So it's going 0 to
हाँ.
10. So suppose मान लो you only had 3 images, so every time you're not going to manually change this, right? So we are just, because we have that number already with us, we are just using it here. I mean, I could easily say do it with 11 because I know I've uploaded 11 images into the array. ठीक है?
Okay. So you're basically saying that value of brush will change every time there's an up arrow
हाँ.
and the counter keeps moving. So basically we are defining the value of the up arrow, is
Yes,
it?
we are defining the value of the up arrow, and we are also making sure that it stays within the number of brushes that we are using, right? Because what will happen is, suppose I only put plus plus, after 11 it will go to 12, and then my program will keep searching ki bhai where is the 12th
Oh,
brush, and it will crash.
okay.
So
Got it.
we are just saying, okay, once you are at 11 you just go back to 0, that's all. So that's what the modulo is helping us do in the simplest way.
Got it.
So
Got it.
abhi we'll put
Yeah.
it back to the length.
So, I mean, in other way, you could. I'm
Sure.
just like right now, I'm geeking out a little bit on counter plus plus. So, if you said that if you put I mean, that's what I remember of whatever little I remember of C++, that you could say that if value of counter is greater than 11, then go back to
Yes,
0.
that's exactly what we are doing.
So that's what module is
Yes,
also
that's
doing,
what
right? So,
modulo
but
is doing.
in तो सिंपल ही कर लेते हैं ना फिर इतना
हाँ, नहीं तो एक ही बात है, it's the same thing. I just thought, okay, maybe it will be useful to you. It's the same thing. I could have
No,
put
no,
an if statement and said that if it goes up
हाँ
till this, it's the same thing. You know, like whatever you are.
No, I have to do baby steps with my brain
Huh.
and understanding the.
The only reason I didn't do it is then it would have been many if loops inside this, and I wasn't sure if you'd be
Uh,
comfortable with that. So I just set it up like this. But anyway, now when we do brush ka size, we'll have to anyway do an if statement, because you may want the brush to go up and the brush to go down. So this is just a simpler way for me currently, because of our time limitation. So now I'll just make this brush. So अरे कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है बताओ. दिस इज समथिंग टोटली. ओ बिकॉज द ब्रश बी कैपिटल. सॉरी.
उधर भी image 40.
हाँ हियर ना. हाँ ओके. अरे बट इट्स स्टिल नॉट वर्किंग. व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग? वन सेकेंड होल्ड ऑन. आई हैव टू. एक सेकेंड ना. ओके सॉरी. Did you guys hear me griping at my mom? Sorry.
I didn't
Okay,
hear.
good. Oh, sorry. The mistake I've made
Uh,
is this won't be brush. This is just the number, so we will put that inside the array itself. So instead of this number here, Deepika, we'll just say brush here. So now, even if I'm clicking or if I'm dragging, it's giving me the same one. But if I do, if I change the, if I, one second, की कोड अप एरो. एक सेकेंड कॉपी कर लेती हूँ यहीं से. Okay, I wonder what I'm doing wrong. Sorry, yeah, this happens to me occasionally. नहीं, frequently. Occasionally is the wrong word.
I think it happens to all of us. Don't worry about it. Meanwhile, if anybody's, I can't see who all are in the chat, but I'm saying hi anyway. If you guys want to check out the project that this is part of, or fill up the BBQ Bangalore biryani question survey, it'll be fun to figure out, because the survey itself is designed in a very comical way.
Shall I send out
You can.
this in the chat? The link to Futura
I think
Biryani.
you already sent, no?
I sent only your website. I hadn't sent Futura Biryani.
Even from the website, yeah,
Okay.
from the website there is a tab called Futura Biryani where you can see the. So you keep solving your
हाँ.
problem, huh? Don't
Okay,
digress.
sorry.
Please, I'm giving you time to.
Thanks यार.
I'm just taking over the stage, yo.
Good. One second.
Yeah. So I'm giving you time to like fix. I can't understand anyway what the problem is. So it's
हाँ,
you.
yeah.
It's
I
you.
have to do it myself.
You have to find it. Um, so yeah, on my website there is Futura Biryani website, and on the Futura Biryani website there's a button called Take Survey. So you can possibly take part of it. The survey itself is designed in a very comical way to, I mean, it'll be entertaining even if it's not useful. That is always my whenever whatever I do, I always have this marker that anything one does has to be entertaining. Like मतलब पैसा वसूल होना चाहिए, मजा आना चाहिए. So otherwise, like full waste. Life is waste anyway. So you know, like मजा आया कि नहीं, that is
Most
most
important. Yeah.
important. Like if you had fun doing it, if you had fun filling a stupid survey, that is enough. That is the purpose of it. There is really nothing else to it.
Okay. So
So
so yeah, so I think I resolved it now. I just now basically what's happening is that when we do arrow up, then it'll just move to the next brush that you have in your list of brushes. But because we are using the code and the canvas in the same space, you'll have to just do Control E and remove your code so that you can move through it. At this point, I'd be excited if you can do a screen share and then we can show people what you're doing with it instead of me just scribbling like one random person on the canvas. Uh,
I'm also a random person on the canvas.
no,
Don't
no,
worry.
you'll be 100%.
I was trying to connect my mm, my mouse to my MacBook, but it's not. It decided that it
Doesn't want
doesn't
to
want
work.
to work.
Okay,
Yeah, so I'll just use a
cool.
trackpad.
So, do you want to
You
share your
want to
screen?
share?
Yeah.
How do I do that? Okay, share screen. Wait, let me just get here. Okay,
Can you hear my grandmother
is it
and my
get?
son fighting? Not fighting, but
Is that your
yeah,
grandmother or
we are four
his grandmother?
generations in this house. My nani,
Oh
my
wow.
mom, me, and Yugen. Yugen's the only guy.
Okay. He'll learn. He'll learn
Let's
better
see.
this way.
Let's see, or he'll be totally pampered.
That is anyway the case. But then women are also like the first ones who will tell you off,
Yeah, if you're
like if
doing
you're doing
something
something absolutely
absolutely
ridiculous.
ridiculous.
I'm pressing Command E, but it doesn't do the full. Oh, it's actually Control.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, you're on Mac, na? Okay. So I can see your screen, but I
हाँ,
don't see anything on it. बस आपका desktop ही नज़र आ रहा है. Do you have two monitors or something?
no, I don't know why that is. I did press share screen. Okay, wait, let me try this. It's the Mac thing, yaar.
Sorry, this is
It sometimes doesn't work on full screen.
okay, okay.
Is it working now?
नहीं नहीं. I can only see your mouse moving around with the background like the wallpaper. Okay.
You don't see the purple
Nope,
screen.
nope.
Okay, wait. It's not doing that. I'll try
Okay.
again 1 second.
I mean, it's also
Mm,
maybe just Skype.
it's showing my desktop. There's no other
Huh.
option.
Uh,
So let me try. It's not even it's not even changing between like screens. Usually it
yeah.
changes on the Mac.
Okay.
It's not.
Okay, then maybe. Uh,
So don't know how to. I mean, I don't think I have another screen. I don't see it attached.
chalo, never mind. We'll skip it for another.
Oh God. One or the other is always.
Never mind.
I can, but I can do it like on the.
On the. हाँ, you are able to
I'm
see it ना. I think your अच्छा your video has वही वापस से गड़बड़ हो गया है.
no, because I'm sharing screen, but it's not showing that
हाँ,
screen.
okay.
हाँ, अब I was talking about that
हाँ
rotation
हाँ,
ना.
okay, we'll try that now.
Let's if we have time,
I'm okay
it's okay.
unless you need to rush. So yeah, so basically now we'll try to do rotate. Now rotate is a bit of a insane kind of a thing in P5Js, but tell me, like, how when you mean rotate, like you mean like samosa should rotate in a particular direction? Is that how you're thinking about it?
Yeah, I
Okay.
mean, I don't know if that's possible, or like especially the spoon.
Ha,
Um,
okay, okay. You want the spoon to be like placed however the spoon should be placed within a plate,
yeah. So
right?
I mean, right now I don't have a pressure sensitive tab attached,
Hmm.
but I'm guessing that how will it even get the value of rotation? So
Ha, so
mm,
then same thing. One can fix rotate to like a keyboard, kind of a keyboard. What is it called? Some kind of a key that says okay, rotate in this direction or rotate in that direction. That's what it could do. Like you know what I mean?
yeah, I mean you would assign a key to it.
Yeah, that's what one can do at best in this. There are ways to bring in the pen pressure, but I don't think that works on P5. It works on processing. I think I've seen that
I
on
don't know the
processing.
difference.
Okay, so P5 is basically on the browser. It works on the browser, and
Okay.
processing is like the older version of P5, which used to be in another language called Java, and it would make like small apps for you, like how Hugo made his app.
I actually thought processing and P5JS is the same.
Well, in
I
term,
have,
it's from the same organization, and it's like under the same umbrella of people.
yeah, because
But
when I started trying to learn, like I went to processing website and it
huh,
showed me like this is the P5JS editor and
huh,
this is how you start.
huh.
So I assumed that it's the same.
It's वही मैं कह रही हूँ. It's like I don't know the easiest way for me to explain it. It's like maybe Corel Draw versus Illustrator, or maybe like Corel Draw
I,
versus InDesign. Like somehow they're similar, but like at some places they are not. And now Corel Draw is only used by some people, and and InDesign is only used by some people. Like you get my point. Like if it's part of your
I know.
workflow, it's part of your workflow. But like otherwise, you have moved on to something else like that. Processing installs a little software on your computer, and then whatever you make, then you can't do this kind of thing where it's kind of happening instantaneously on the browser. It builds a little window in which it shows separately, almost like a mini application, like a mini software.
Got it.
So that is the difference. So okay, so at this point we've reached here. So now you are thinking of rotate. Anything else? I was thinking maybe you want to change the size of the brush.
Yeah, also,
Uh-huh.
Ambika, I just noticed that these images are only going up till 4.
Oh, is it so? Let me
Huh,
check.
they're not going up till 11. I think when you put the modulo
No,
and
for
it's
me it's
divided,
going up right up till the spoon, which is the last
so
spoon.
spoon is not the last. The dabba is the last,
Dabba should be the
and
last.
and I can't. For me, it's not going with the.
Okay.
I can't see the flower also anymore. I can
Really?
only see 4 objects.
Okay. डब्बा नॉट कमिंग तो वन कैन रिजॉल्व बट आपके तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आ रहा. हाउ डू वी डू दिस? Maybe we'll do it off the stream. I can help you with it. Bless you. Bless you.
I hope you didn't hear that.
नहीं, we didn't hear.
I'm a professional sneezer.
So do you get them in like numbers? Like I remember मेरे दादाजी used to get in like 5 or 6 together always. They had a fixed thing. I don't know if you have like three
Yeah.
fixed or like something like that.
I have at least minimum three.
Minimum three.
Upper number is not fixed. Upper counter is
Not
going on plus 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 plus
okay.
plus. Yeah, I only have four objects. I don't have any more.
Oh, okay.
इसमें नहीं चल रहा वो.
Okay.
Like should I share? How do I? There's only a screenshot, right? There's no.
Sorry.
You changed something, na? It refreshed.
Sorry. Yeah.
I was gonna save it.
Oh no, so sorry.
It's okay. I'll draw again.
Sorry.
But this is so much fun.
Yeah.
It's looking
Uh,
so interesting.
yeah.
Like I can do this in Photoshop also, but then that's so basic. Photoshop is basic.
But so I don't know. At least I remember that you could like import images as brushes, right, in Photoshop. Does that still work?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
you
it does.
can
But
so essentially you can do this exactly in the same way, right?
now you tell me.
I had to get you on the stream somehow, na.
Oh, dhoka.
Doka. But yeah, I mean, like I was thinking now we can build it a bit more off the stream. But I guess in terms of understanding how to like build a small paint tool outside of Adobe, this gives you a sense of some simple possibilities that are there. And we'll sync up alag se to kind of build it out. But anything specifically you want to try quickly, maybe because it's already like 1 over 15 minutes. I don't want you to be like, are you stressed about leaving? I don't know.
No, I'm not. Are you?
No,
I'm
but
just
I just
trying to
don't like
figure out.
to stretch too much. That's all. But
It's okay. I was just trying to figure out ये ऊपर कैसे जाएगा counter because I only have four objects on my screen. I can't even share the screen. But can I send the image to you
yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
as a screenshot?
yeah,
Should we
absolutely.
do that?
You want to do that on WhatsApp or
Um,
something?
no, I mean I don't know if यहाँ पे जाएगा क्या?
क्या पता. मैंने तो यूज ही स्काइप लाइक 3-4 साल बाद किया है. हाँ, देर इज एन ऑप्शन फॉर
Same.
add
Yeah,
friend,
I
right?
found it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Let me just try and send it to you.
And maybe we can talk a bit more about this project of yours. And like yesterday I saw that you had posted something about that very unfortunate incident of Danish, and then how that was sort of part of your exploration and practice, and you've been thinking about all of that. Do you want to? I don't
Yeah,
know. That's
yeah, it's really sad. Actually, one of the images by Danish in which that there was I think it was around the time of CA protests and Delhi pogrom.
mm-hmm.
Um, that there was this man and then a mob was trying to beat him up.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, he's a Muslim man in the center.
Yeah, that very
Um, that
famous one. Yeah.
that was a very and he was in like this fetal position. And to me, that was like very. I think it's like I couldn't process that image for very long and it stayed with me for days. And when I was doing Sarvasatvik Rashtra, I was applying for it and I actually used that fetal position. So I know so many people who are right wing or would love, there is like generic Islamophobia, even if they don't call it that.
Yeah.
So, but they love like they want everything to be like, Hindu Rashtra, Hindu this,
Yeah.
Hindu that. मैं बोला फिर कबाब क्यों खाते हो? बिरयानी क्यों खाते हो? वो भी मत खाओ.
Yeah.
Just stop eating kebabs and why do you why are you like selectively Islamophobic. Why don't you like fully become Islamophobic?
Yeah.
So I actually used that fetal position and I made a painting with kebabs as the fetal position on the Sikh. I'm not going to show it to you, but
Yeah. Yeah.
because it's a very disturbing image
Yeah.
itself. Like
Yeah.
the painting is disturbing, and
Yeah.
I feel like I haven't released that painting anywhere
Yeah.
because I feel like it could disturb people, and maybe after years we'll be immune to it. But I think it's still very
Sure. I
like
understand.
I feel like it. I mean, some people are okay with sharing uh because I feel like there's definitely trigger warning involved in
Correct.
that.
Yeah.
So I described it without
Yeah.
trigger warning. I'm sorry if anybody got
It's fine. It's
offended.
okay. They
Uh,
can kind of like come and scold me later or something like that. But and
you
in
can
general,
scold me
like
also. I'm happy to.
in general, like I mean, I don't know if the others who join the stream are moms or carers, but like, how do you see, like, has your practice changed, or have you changed as a person with your practice, with your kid being there, like, and I don't know if you want to answer this
I,
or you want to just stay away from that.
I'm okay. I think domesticity is very much a part of my practice, and I think um, see that's what we were talking about
Yeah.
before this screen also um, that you can't separate who you are as a person with your professional life anymore. Like
Absolutely.
especially because now professional and domestic is such a mixed up jelly bobbly wibbly kind of space because I'm uh painting in my bedroom, which is also my studio. So like you can't like I think we the memo is that to just like be one whole person and move on without trying to separate, being a professional and being a real person. Like a professional is a real person. They also have relationships. They also have, I think we need to get over that idea that a professional does not care for
Yeah.
somebody, or a professional can also take care of a human being or a plant or a dog, no matter who you take care of. But like this job of care being assigned to somebody who's not a professional is a very weird logic that I think everybody is we all have
Yeah.
grown up with, and I feel like I really want to undo that.
Yeah.
And I don't. I mean, what you are doing here also is pretty commendable in that sense because um like it somewhere we are trying to break that people who code or people who are professional artists
Don't have
um
other
are
kinds of
can be in the same
yeah.
yeah can be in the same can be in the same on the same
Mm-hmm.
stage while taking care of people they have in their
Mm-hmm.
lives. So I think that's why like I cannot separate domesticity um from
Yeah.
work. I just
Yeah.
can't. I think and then it like comes in like in very different, like it gives me a lot of like I have a painting called Bartan is Bay. The utensils are
Didn't you
bay.
post something
So
day before, like, which said that if you have no one
yeah,
in your life,
yeah,
you still have the dishes? Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, so that's why like, I have a series of those also. Like I've made many of that Bartan composition. No offense to any other Bartan artists out there. Wink, wink.
Yeah. No, I think it states the difference in the relationship where, when you don't have to do them yourselves, as opposed to, like, then you can make the sculpture out of it, as opposed to like, yeah.
Correct.
So I understand that.
Uh,
So
yeah, I mean, no offense to anybody who makes sculptures out of them, but I think I feel even like Bartan is human, and it's a very human element of it. It's a symbol of human existence. So it's not like intellectualize karna hai, to I can do anything intellectualization, but also nothing is meaningful anyway. So I think yeah, that's what I think. Giving birth, taking care of. Forget giving birth is a very small part of
of care, yeah.
what comes
Yeah.
later. But think I think this whole profession of care that we are in, you and me, um, this is very important, and I think we are contributing to the economy way more than somebody who's only doing
Yeah,
one job. We are already doing
yeah,
two
yeah,
minimum. Maybe you're doing
yeah,
more. You're teaching and like you're doing other things also. So these are all like right now they are not counted as contributions to the economy, which is just
yeah.
wrong. But they are. They are like
I understand.
in the larger scheme of things, these are the most important things anyway. Like, humanity depends on us.
Yeah, so true. Okay, so I'm happy at this point if we kind of like discuss let's say who cooked Adam Smith's dinner is being asked in the chat by Anushka. Who cooked Adam Smith's dinner?
Who's,
Uh,
who's
वो
Adam Smith?
the capitalism wala Adam Smith. What is it called? That book, that very famous one. Someone can.
Rich Dad,
No, no, the
Poor Dad.
original book. Wait, can't remember these names ever.
Sorry, I'm not that
No,
cultured.
no. uh, you know that economist guy, yeah, the Wealth of Nations wala book. Uh,
Agar, yeah, if I had actually studied Wealth of Nations, I would have been richer.
no, you maybe you would have been more right wing, but or maybe left, totally left. But yeah, so yeah, but like I mean, I think these are some interesting points to think of in context of us looking at an activity like code, which tends to be sort of very driven by capital, driven by the idea of producing something out of the code, which for me I think has slowly become a non-requirement. I feel like one can look at it more as an activity to do, because all of us have computers, and all of us know how to use them to some level or the other. So great, thank you so much, and hopefully we are able to finish your project a bit more and release it out in the wild if you feel so, if you so wish, uh, and uh, and I think we can do another coding with mamas session, separately.
For sure, this was fun. And although, like, I was completely useless when it came to writing or finding the line number 33,
That's
but I
okay. That's
tried.
totally fine. It's like
I mean, I have pressed Control E now. How do I go back to the code? Can you please tell
control
me
E
that?
again. I'll give this to you in a simpler way. Actually, this is just because so that more like two people can join on the same code. Otherwise, the setups can get quite complicated, and this was P5GS, which I normally use. I think we'll sign out at this bit. Thank you for so much for joining and giving your time. I know you have so many other roles to manage, and let's not forget the amazing online school system that we all have to be part of now, where we are all teaching assistants.
No
But
need.
thank you so much, and I just wanted to thank the foundation again for allowing us to do a second season of Coding with Friends without stressing about how to do it. And see you tomorrow. We've got Nadika. She's a researcher, writer. She works in Bangalore also, and she is bringing in a very interesting funda around Sangam poetry. She's, I think, originally from Chennai. We'll know tomorrow. We delve a bit more into literature maybe, and see where that takes us, and how things go from there. Okay, thank you so much once again. And Deepika, if you do something with the code, just share it. I'm sure people on Instagram would love to, whoever is following you would love to kind of see what you're up to, and things like that with this. And we'll try to help you build it a bit better so that it it can work as per your
Yeah.
vision, let's say.
Yeah. No, thank
Cool.
you so much. I'll bug you for the I think why it's not going beyond object number
Yeah,
4.
yeah.
But I will. I think it's already looking cool with the dabbas and Mohan ghee and
हाँ
everything.
ठीक है, let me just see this offline, and then in the night I'll fix it up and send it to you.
Cool. No hurry.
Okay,
Thank you so
thank you for
much.
joining.
Thanks for this.
Bye.